Good morning, guys. In front of me is OPPO Find X8, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, then mark More icon and select Settings. Here, pick Block Numbers, and now you can either block all unknown colors by using the stop indicator, or you can add someone by tapping on Add a phone number, and now just provide this number manually by yourself, tap on block, and that's it. From now on, it will not be able to reach you anyhow, like you will not receive any calls or messages from this number. Once you want to remove some number from this list, just click on cross icon and then confirm. So that's it, that will be all. This is how call blocking looks on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.